Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Thomas with TMWYT. We are back again in the TMWYT garage. We got the Golf R chilling over here. Today we are working on Christopher's Rocket Bunny V3 BRZ. We got Jordan, my stance god, here helping me out today. We are going to be fixing his trash ass fitment. His trash ass fit. Look at this. You could fit 3 fingers in, well, let's say 2 fingers in there, but I'm gonna max out the camber on this wheel and drop it all the way down as far as we can go without destroying the kit. And I don't know what we're gonna do in the rears. We're just gonna drop it and pray. But the fitment is trash, so we're gonna fix it. That's what we're gonna be doing today. Jordan, what are your thoughts?
It's gotta be fixed.
It's gotta be fixed. He says, I can't go lower in the front. I don't have any more camber I can do. I'm like, bruh, you can push that all the way over there. He's like, really? Really? And I think we're gonna do one of those hot boy diffuser thingies where I take the Dremel and I cut out the stock BRZ diffuser like I did on my other friend's car, the other FRS that's on my channel. Yes, we're gonna cut that out and show off his exhaust and drop this kit like it's hot. So let's do it. All right, so we got the car jacked up on all 4 jack stands, pulled off his wheels. Okay. We're gonna coilovers and everything. He has some team coilovers. So what we need to do is drop the rears a little bit. But the main thing up front is I've already started it over here. So the camber plate, I've maxed out over here just by unbolting these front ones that were bolted right there and then scooting them over here and loosening those and pushing the coilover back. See, you can just, well, now it's not gonna go back, but you just give it a little shove. And now it's where you want it to be. Boom! And we'll do that on the other side. This is what it looked like before. Sick. And then we are gonna drop the front coilovers a little bit. Also, these, we need to fix that. This coilover doesn't match that coilover.
Because it's designed. It's designed, stop.
Let's hear it, let's hear it, Chris.
It's designed in such a way that when you sit in the car, it's supposed to level itself out. So you have to make this side lower than that side. So when you're looking at it, it's level. So otherwise, when you sit in it, it'll just sag.
Just drop it on his nuts.
That too.
We're just gonna drop it on his freaking tits, dude. It's gonna be sick.
That's what we want now. Listen.
So yeah, and that's what we're doing right now. So maxing out the camber, I'm gonna adjust this one, then adjust that one, and then me and Jordan are gonna start working on adjusting the coilovers, because look at that.
We have so much
And then look at the other side. And tell me that doesn't look right.
Okay, my question is if you're supposed to have that higher on this side.
Oh no, you're supposed to, but we lowered it so when you're looking at it, it's level. You know what I'm saying?
What? Oh my gosh. So when was the last time these coilovers were adjusted? When they were put on, right?
8 months ago, yeah.
So yeah, he dailies the car. They were pretty darn seized. We had to get the heat gun on it and a breaker bar on the coilover wrench. We finally got it after letting it soak with WD-40 and heating it up. And now we're just adjusting this one down to match the other side, which happened to not be seized, which is nice. So that one's all adjusted. I know it's really dark, but it's all adjusted down, and then we'll start on the rears, and then we'll cut out the diffuser, and then we'll go take some sick rollers with the new fitment. So we're all set. We've got the coilovers lowered. We got the camber where we want it. Oh, I missed it. Rare sighting. Chris was fixing a little exhaust leak. One of his flanges was a little bit loose. He was down there working on his own car. It's crazy. What a sight. Me and Jordan finally got this back seized coilover undone. Pro tip, there's little like shapes on the wrench, on the coilover wrench. You can put breaker bars in there. I know this is a ratchet to be able to fit it in there, but we have a breaker bar for the front that we use to get it undone. So just pro tip, if your stuff is seized, you know, you can stick different wrenches on the actual coilover tool itself to get more leverage, because they're kind of dinky. But yeah, so we're working on those right now. And yeah, and then we're gonna drop the rear a little bit, and then we'll cut this rear diffuser, because he's got a super cool NVIDIA catback exhaust setup that we want to show off. So yeah, we're gonna cut this up real quick. Let's do it. dropping it. See how she looks. Ooh. I like it.
That's better. Oh, the rear's way lower.
Yes, sir. You can honestly go lower in the. Nah, I say leave the rears for now.
Because like rears and females.
You like that, Chris? Is that better?
I'm so scared.
As they watch that rear for me, somebody.
I'm watching it. Oh yeah, bud, that's perfect. Yeah, oh yeah.
You travel less now. I don't understand.
Tighten the springs up.
Nice.
Dude, that's perfect. I say we leave it and see how he does.
Are you giving it full send when you're jumping on it? Yeah.
Like look at that. Like, I think that's good. I want to see him try to get out of the driveway.
Look how much camber that is, though.
That's nothing.
That's nothing.
For my car, it is.
It does look a lot better though. See? You can go lower!
We can go lower.
It's okay, you still go lower. Alright, as soon as he wants this rear kind of bash bar painted real quick, so we're gonna, oh look how sick that looks, guys. So he's got this NVIDIA titanium tipped catback back here, so now you can see the NVIDIA emblem, and you can see both big mufflers. We still need to tuck this wire behind the bumper. But yeah, we want to try to polish these up the most that we can, and then we're gonna throw just some flat black paint on here. Guys, this is looking a lot better than when it rolled up in the garage.
It was before.
All right, let's keep going. Fitment dialed in. We got the crash bar exposed and the rear diffuser cut out. Can't really see it right now, but in the cinematics and rollers, I'll make sure to get really detailed shots. We're just gonna see how this bud here, he pulls out of my driveway here. Oh, you got it, you got it. Send. You're good? You're good? Sick.
But look at that. No, look at that.
I see. But you're also like a centimeter away from ripping your bumper off, so. So Big Sam, get out of the driveway. You're also three-wheeling back here too. You're good. You're good. Nice. Looks so much better.
Oh yeah, it's right
Man, I
here.
wish we could have gotten this lower. Now hopefully we can get lower springs, or we'll just wait till we bag it, but this will be good for now. That looks good. It looks a lot better than I'm more happy with the rears. You guys can't see crap. Let's jump to the cinematics and rollers of what we did to Chris's car, fixing his trash fitment. Let's go.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hit apply my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Ride with me if you ride with me. You can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky. Come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me. You can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky. Come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ay.
What do you think of the new look?
It's much better, much better. You guys killed it. Yeah, it needed that so bad. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's actually pretty nice with
Right, because you were
lower.
super scared to go low.
Yeah, I was
kit
so
and
scared to
everything.
break the body kit, man. I mean, I was terrified because you know it's authentic, and that's why I was scared. But yeah, it's really awesome. For anyone that has a wide body kit, I really suggest just send it full send.
Full
go low.
send. And
Static all the way.
we were able to max out the teen coilovers. We wanted to get a little bit lower up front here. I know it's really dark, guys. Sorry, just working around the lighting here. But we wanted to get a little bit lower up front. We can fit 2 fingers up front, but only 1 finger in the rear. Again, sorry for the bad lighting, but we can fit 1 finger in the rear, 2 fingers up front. That's probably better for the front bumper for now, but yeah, it's better than it was. The monster truck status is no more.
No more, no more.
Chris has the hot boy fitment now, and it's looking good. Another thing, I love what we did with the diffuser and the exhaust.
Yeah, it really accents that NVIDIA exhaust. I think it came out really, really well. You did an amazing job cutting it and sanding, make it look all good. And we got that the crash bar painted black as well.
Yeah,
absolutely amazing.
It's good. Just a little update to the car, just making it look a whole lot better. Again, just send it. Like, honestly, like you said, we tightened all the dampening down, and he hasn't ruined anything. It's just minor rubbing here and there. I mean, nothing too crazy. Again, it's super dark. You saw the exhaust cut out in the cinematic and everything, but it turned out awesome. I'm really happy with it. And yeah, we have plenty more things on the way for Chris's car. So if you guys are interested in following his build, we have plenty more. I know he wants to paint, we want to rebuild the wheels, turbo kit coming in the near future, air suspension, everything. So if you guys want to stay up to date on this build, make sure to subscribe down below, leave a like what you think, comment any ideas you have for Chris. I also leave Chris's Instagram down in the description below if you want to follow him directly and stay up to date with the build. But that is going to be it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one.
That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?